Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, today we will check CPU temperature in Windows 10, Windows 11 or any other Windows computer. We will also know what is the ideal temperature of CPU. Because if your system is getting hotter, the performance of your computer will be very slow. It might crash on you or give you a blue screen of death, which we call it BSOD. If you're using high-end softwares or for gaming, CPU temperature means a lot. We will learn how to check the CPU temperature and how to cool it down. So let's get started. At the end of the video, I'll tell you how you can install this. So I'll just click on download and a setup file will be downloaded at the left hand side. So I'll just click on open and it will ask me to say yes, and then this new window will appear. I'll have to click on next. I accept the agreement, and this will install in C program files core temperature. So I'll click on next. Now here, build your own kingdom with good game empire, start the game. I will uncheck that. Make sure you uncheck this and install additional language packs. So if you're okay with English, that's fine, else just uncheck this. Alright, so I'll just make sure this create a desktop shortcut is checked and nothing else is checked, and I'll click on next and then install. So I'll just click on next again, and here let it launch core. So this is how it will open. I'll just maximize so that you can see. Now here I can see there are only 2 cores in this computer, and the load is currently 50%, 37% on the second core. This is my spare computer. So currently the temperature is 53, 55, which is not unusual. You don't have to worry about it. Temperature can vary from 10 Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, which is absolutely fine if you're not doing anything. And it also depends on different processors. But if you see your laptop is getting heated very much, you can feel that the temperature is very high, and if you have anything unusual, the temperature is very high, then you can take some steps which will be there at the end of the video, how to make the computer faster, where I have shared the optimization, a perfect optimization to clean up the computer if there is any bloatware or malware running in the computer. That will also be removed, which will be there at the end of the video. So guys, if you think that this video is useful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.